Skywatch Weather, sponsored by Prestige Subaru.
And Hurricane Laura made landfall about 5 hours ago as a very strong Category 4 in Cameron, Louisiana. Now it's a Category 2 storm with winds at 110 miles per hour. It hasn't slowed down much or picked up speed. It stayed pretty steady since it's made landfall, moving northward at 15 miles an hour. And you can see the eye went straight from Cameron through Lake Charles and now is about 80 miles from the coastline. And it has continued to shrink as we've gone through the time lapse. That's where we find the strongest winds. And again, still feeling some winds around 100 miles an hour at this time. So that Category 2 storm will continue to move through northwestern Louisiana into the center of Arkansas as we go through today, tomorrow, and into the weekend. It continues a quicker pace as it moves north of Asheville. So there we are. And you can see just to our west, it's still going to give us some wind at 30, 35 miles an hour. Could actually pick up some wind speed as we go into Sunday. But at that time, we'll be back over open waters. We will feel some impacts from that system, but that overall path has continued to shift to the north, which is what we want to see. That means some minimal impacts. So based on that forecast, minor impacts early Saturday, isolated flooding possible, not likely. Gusty winds possible as well, a few downed trees. And again, the fast moving storm will limit the impacts there. Saturday morning, most significant time frame to worry about with that rain and wind. Saturday afternoon, lessening impacts. And by Saturday evening, much improved. And then Sunday will look a lot better as well. Wind gusting greater than 39 miles per hour. That's that tropical storm force wind that we've been talking about. A low risk to reach wind that strong at 3,000 feet and below. That includes Asheville. Now, as you climb those mountains, you'll feel much stronger winds. So if you do have some outdoor plans on Saturday, maybe the second half of the day would be a little bit better, although it will still be breezy. Those gusts are really going to be felt in higher elevations near the Tennessee state line. Futurecast model back here today. We have a few pop-up thunderstorms, a mix of sun and clouds today. It'll be hot in the upper 80s, feeling like a summer day. And then tomorrow we'll see some scattered storms at midday. The wind, you can see those wind vectors starting to pick up speed. More clouds, thicker at times through Saturday with scattered rain and windy conditions. How much rain falls? Moderate impact for rain, about 3/4 of an inch possible through Saturday night in Asheville. Less rain areas east and south, more rain closer to the 2-inch mark in some isolated spots in areas north and west. Here's your weekend weather forecast. Mostly cloudy, scattered rain and showers on Saturday. Better outdoor day on Sunday. A lot more sunshine, average temperatures, and lighter wind. Here's your Asheville 7-day forecast. We have established a weather warn day for Saturday due to the remnants of Hurricane Laura. Sunday looking drier, and same thing early next week as temperatures stay in the lower 80s. Back over to you.